So here we go. We're going to cut in with a paintbrush, and I'll just show you how to cut in with a paintbrush. Very, very simple. Now I'll dip my brush and either slap it on the sides of the bucket, or I'll wipe it on the sides of the bucket. Now, if you're painting outside, a lot of times a painter he'll slap. Let me get up here where you can see. He'll just he'll slap. He'll dip his brush. Let's do it all over again. He'll dip his brush and slap it like that. Usually when you're painting inside, you'll slap it a little bit, but then you'll wipe it off. Just a little. And so we put the paint on, of course, with the brush. But then you get the tip of your brush dry. Get it dry, and then go up against the ceiling with the tip of your brush, not totally dry, but just not saturated with paint. And then you pull your line. So we'll slap it. Look at that. Look at that. You see that straight line? See that straight line? See, I'm doing it with my eyes closed. See, my eyes are closed. No, I'm just kidding with you. But anyway, that's it. Now you don't want to go too slow. If you go too slow, it's going to be like this. So if you move just a little bit, it'll be a smoother, swath. You can see I'm jumping around. Don't have much of a choice here. I've got mud spots that still need to be hit again. And this is where we ran the gas line, right through there, going upstairs. All right, so let's just, where am I at? Okay, right there. It's gonna be hard to do holding the camera. Well, my, looky there. See, I just don't put it up there sopping wet with paint. Now, if you go too slow, you tend to not have such of a straight line. For some reason, you just have more tendency to shake. This isn't easy, looking in the camera and looking at the wall. There we go, folks. So the gas line, this is the crawl space down here, runs up here, up through here, and then pops out in the laundry room right there. Anyway, just a little, I don't know, tutorial, I guess. Oh, mercy. Sorry for the movement. Let's do it again. All right. So I had mud spots all over this wall and literally forgot to prime them. I forgot to prime my mud spots on this wall here and this wall over here. And so this is an eggshell finish, and you can see, well, I don't know. Well, you can't really see the spottiness, I don't think. I can. But we'll see. We'll see how it looks. This is Sherwin-Williams paint, and we'll see how it does as paint and primer. Good paint. Let me see. Let's go over here. It's good paint. We actually got it from Lowe's. I'm actually shocked at how good it is. I hate it, but I am not a Sherwin-Williams fan. And I do like Behr paint. I love Behr paint from Home Depot. She wanted Sherwin-Williams, though. That was the color. Lowe's sells Sherwin-Williams. And so this has really turned out to be some good paint. I'm telling you, it's some good paint. I am shocked. And we're talking about one coat coverage here. And you can see the color difference. See it over there? And even over that white. I might have to come back and touch up a little bit of the white. But anyway, so them white spots there have been primed. That's where I stopped and said, oh my, I haven't primed my mud spots. And so we stopped and did just that, primed them, primed all this down through here. And I just basically primed it with ceiling paint. You just need something flat. The ceiling paint works out to be a good primer. Expensive primer, but good primer. Now this is a finished room. Finished, not the trim, just the walls and the ceiling. Anyway, this in here is just about finished. All right, so we're almost at 10 minutes. Let's do just a little more painting. So this is just a 3-inch thick, 3-inch, what you would call a stiff brush. I do not like the soft brush. Now this is this brush here I picked up at Home Depot. It's a nylon and whatever mixed. nylon polyester, I think. And I don't like it, but they were out of the all nylon, and I do not like this brush. But this is the only kind of brush I can paint with, a flat-ended 3-inch brush, not a 2.5, not a tapered. It's got to be one of these. I used to be a window painter for years back when you painted windows. Like a 6/6. And this is what I would paint it with. And I learned how to paint with this big brush. And so that's what I've continued to use. And of course, if I was going to brush siding or soffit, I would use a 4-inch. Anyway, just got a call. Don't know if I'm going today or tomorrow, but guy's backed up his septic tank, and actually he doesn't live far from here. And I pumped his septic tank years and years ago. My son used to work with him. And I pumped his tank years and years ago, and he actually kept my phone number, which is just totally shocking. But anyway, that's it, folks. On the job, getting it done. The sun will be back. Not the sun outside. My son will be back. When is he coming back? Oh, he'll be back working Monday. Anyway, so there was a hanging light here, a hanging light there. And we're putting a light in here. So we took the wire, put it through here. We'll run it through a box. Stick a remodel box up there, and that'll be it. So just lots of work, lots of work. Anyway, folks, we'll see you.